Saber stands out to me because we're a family. We work together. We're very team-oriented. If anybody's having an off day, we make each other feel better. We uplift each other, and we're a family, and I love Saber.
I've worked with maybe a dozen other companies over the last 30 years of construction experience, and most of them do not communicate with their customers like we do here at Saber. They don't have the attention to detail that Saber has. Their quality of work was never as good. And also, normally when they clean up and leave the project, they were never as clean as they should be. Saber goes the extra mile. You'd almost know I wasn't there at the end of a project we cleaned up so well.
What I love about Saber's values is, especially the most important one for me, is communicating. Communicating very well to our customers, just being available and on call, no matter what time of day it is, to answer any and all questions that they have, just to make them feel that they've made the best decision with the best company.
I'd say our customer experience happens to be the best in the industry. We pride ourselves on our work, our experience that we pass on to our customers. This is a company that prides itself on every aspect of the customer experience.
We treat their needs as if it's our grandma, our mother, someone in our family that's really close to us. We make sure that they're taken care of in the best way possible.
I would describe the work environment here at Saber very family oriented. We always have each other's backs, we're always there for each other, and we always have the same common goal in mind, and that's to provide a remarkable experience for our customers. So I've been here at Saber for almost 10 years now. The simplest way I would be able to describe my time here is like a roller coaster. You're kind of a little bit afraid to get on at first, but as soon as you get off, you instantly want to get back on it.
So I've been here at Saber for over 3 years now, and I can honestly say since day one, I fell in love with the company. The people here are amazing. Our vendors have been great to work with, and our dealer network has been so supportive. It's just been a great overall experience for me.
If you want to be with a company that values you and treats you well and sees you as someone, not just an employee number, absolutely. Saber's definitely the company to be with.
As you can see, we're a company that believes in our vision, mission, and values. So what are you waiting for? Come join our team today.